Welcome to Pentagram Motorsport. It's a quick update, very exciting update about this is our new workshop, and we've got 3 of the fleet members here already. So I've just brought over Roger, the Mk3 Golf. Now this is a very special car to us. This car was my wife's first car, and not only that, but she did a driving test. She actually sat a driving test in this car. It's a very rare model. I only made them for about 2 years. It's got the 101 horsepower 1600 cross-flow engine in it with twin length inlet manifold. So it's an absolute little screamer. So this is going to be one of the probably longer term projects on the channel compared to these two, which are going to be quite quick fixes. So over here we have my son's MINI R50 Cooper, which is a 1600. Really fun car to drive, really engaging. It just needs a couple of little bits and pieces. So it needs a handbrake cable, it's got a wheel bearing away, and it's got an ABS light on. We're going to sort them issues, and then we're going to get this back on the road. And this one here, which is under the tarpaulin, is a last of the line 1997 Mk3 Golf GTI. It's in the Black Magic Pearl paint, and it's got all of the run out extras on it. It's a very nice car. When this one's done, it'll look the business. We've got a set of 17-inch TT comp wheels for it. It's already on load suspension, and it's had all kinds of electrical bits and pieces. At the moment we've got a few holes to patch up in the floor pan, we've got new exhaust to go on it, and we've got new brake lines to do for it. So this will be going in there very soon. But the car I want to talk to you about today is Roger the Poorly Golf. This lovely little car has been parked in our garden for the last 5 years. Before that, it was our daily road car. Like I say, my wife learned to drive in it, and it's the longest car that we've had on the fleet is this car. I think we've had it for probably 10 or 11 years now. It's a very rare spec. Like I say, it's got the 1600 cross-flow in it, which is quite an unusual engine, AFT engine. They tended to use them on the convertible Golfs and also some performance Polos. It's also got, let me show you inside, it's got full leather seats, although as you can see they're a little bit the worst where the whole interior is not very nice. But it's also got AC. It's got sunroof, electric windows, tinted glass, the lot. It is a really nice car, but obviously where it's been sat, we've got a lot of work to do. The idea is that what we're going to do with it is we're going to pull all the interior out of it. So the seats, the carpets, the door cards are all going to come out of it. We're then going to strip the floor pans back because I know it needs some welding. We will repair or replace as we see fit, and I suspect we'll do every single brake line on it, and it's probably going to deserve a new exhaust. We've got a lovely set of the basket style wheels to go on it, and once it's all machine polished, got new front wings for it and bumper and everything, yeah, it should look a world of difference. So if you want to see the updates on these cars plus the other cars on the channel, so we've got a couple of Lancia Deltas, we've got a Mark 1 Golf, BMW 3 Series and a Land Rover. Subscribe, ring that bell. I'm really excited to get into this workshop. This is Andy's van. This is going to be coming out within the next couple of weeks. We're going to get in there. We've also got space within the workshop. I'm not going to show you what's up there because it's not mine, but it's quite an exciting car. But we'll keep that for another day. We're going to have space in the workshop for probably another 2 cars along, plus one in that bay there. And we've also got a 2-post lift to go in there. So very exciting times. Right, thank you very much for watching. I know it's been a fairly straight update today, but we'll get down and do some more jobs on the cars, plus the motorbikes and what have you in future videos. See you soon.